the big story right now is the Prime Minister's new Council of Ministers will be meeting just now. A meeting is set for 5 o'clock. The Union Cabinet and Council of Ministers will be meeting. This is a day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi carried out a major expansion and shake-up of his ministers. Two meetings will be held back to back. In fact, while the cabinet meeting will take place first, and that is meant to have started at 5, the Council of Ministers will be meeting later at 7 p.m. It's usual for the Prime Minister to convene this meeting of the Union Cabinet as well as Council of Ministers after a reshuffle or expansion exercise. Yesterday, many new faces are coming into the Council of Ministers and many former ministers being elevated as well. It's been a tremendous exercise. It is usual, and yesterday's exercise also saw the induction of 15 cabinet ministers and several ministers of state. 7 ministers of state were elevated to the cabinet rank. Many of them took over office today. Well, let's go across to Arvind now for more. And Arvind, the Prime Minister will be meeting with his new team.
Garge, after the complete overall of Council of Ministers, this is the first cabinet meeting that will be chaired by Prime Minister. So almost 30 cabinet ministers are there in the current Council of Ministers. So all the 30 cabinet ministers will take part in the first cabinet meeting after the revamp of the Council of Ministers. So what we are being told is that this meeting will be held virtually. It's not a physical meeting. So Prime Minister will chair this meeting, but this is a virtual meeting where all the cabinet ministers will attend the cabinet meeting. So the cabinet meeting has begun. So it will go on for 15 to 20 minutes. That's what we are being told, because earlier there were only 21 cabinet ministers, but now the strength has been increased from 21 to 30. So almost all the 30 cabinet ministers will take part in today's cabinet meeting, and some very important decisions are expected to be made and be announced in this cabinet meeting, including the clearance allowance for the central government employees. But again, with the government, with the way they spring surprise, it's better we wait for the official confirmation, official announcement from the government side. But what we are also being told is that somewhere around 5:30 p.m. the Prime Minister will also chair the Union Council of Ministers, where almost all the 77 plus, including Prime Minister, that will be 78. All the 78 ministers will attend the Council of Ministers. That is also will be held via virtual mode, and that meeting will go on for at least for 30 to 40 minutes. That's what the sources are saying. But the Union Cabinet meeting has begun. Gargi?
All right, and Arvind, as you're saying, we are expecting some big announcements after that cabinet meeting taking place. Well, that meeting taking place the day after the shake-up that took place in the Council of Ministers. And Arvind, it's just very interesting that today you'll see all these, new and old faces all coming together, many of them elevated, many of the familiar faces in the cabinet now missing.
Yeah, Gargi, like I mentioned earlier, there were around 21 cabinet ministers, but now it has been increased to 30. Though it has been increased to 30, at least 7 ministers who are part of the Union Council of Ministers were made to resign, and almost 12 ministers were made to resign, and almost 7 Minister of State rank earlier ministers, they have been promoted to the rank of cabinet. So the present cabinet strength is somewhere around 30, which is one of the highest if you could compare both the Modi 1.0 and also Modi 2.0. So 30 cabinet ministers is one of the biggest cabinet we are seeing in the recent years. Like you mentioned, almost 7 ministers who were earlier Minister of State, they have been elevated to the cabinet rank, including Hardeep Singh Puri and also R.K. Singh and also Kiran Rijiju, etc. Anurag Thakur, again one big elevation from MOS directly to cabinet, who will be holding both the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and also other important portfolio. So very interesting. The first cabinet meeting is currently underway after the revamp, and what we are being told is that some very important policy decisions will be taken and it will be announced in due course of time.